After disassembling the motherboard, we are going to assemble it again and connect each cable where it belongs. So let me get my pins here. So this is the motherboard. Let me place it back. Place it back with each cable where it belongs.
I was asking how much is the damage?
So from here, I think you can show them well here. So first of all, I'm first connecting this cable. There's a cable here for USB. It is this one here. It's called the front. I think you can see.
It's called the what?
The front cable. It is even labeled. You can see the front. So you place it here like this.
Can you give us space to record?
Yeah, and we got
Front camera.
the front. You put it here.
Where is the front?
So where has the front gone?
The front goes here, but let me first put the pins because it's starting here.
The front, so the front is trying to refuse it.
Not refusing. I want to first fix it with the pins, then I put very well.
Okay.
So someone holding the pins. Where are my pins?
They are there, don't you see them?
So make sure these things fit in their respective holes. Come and show them here, this side. Are you seeing here? The slots, the ports. So make sure the motherboard fits each port in its respective hole. So let's fix now. So after I'm making sure those things, so let's first put our pins. These are the pins.
Those are the screws.
Yeah, the screw. This is a screwdriver. So let's put one by one. One by one. Make sure you use good tools for the good respective tools for effective results. Unless otherwise end up messing up. So we are assembling back the motherboard.
Okay, members, let's carry this component back, then we must take some seats. Put back the components and carry the machine here.
Make sure you learn how to disassemble the computer and assemble it very well. wano wano watoola weero wano wagenda tula weero anti processor egenda tula wano kitegeeza zino tukoze ensobi nozissa wano wa processor kitegeeza buli wa wano neeno wa processor. This one comes here.